Hello everyone! Today, we're checking out the M5 wireless microphone system by Xvive. Matagal na rin akong gumagamit ng Xvive products. I have the U45 in-ear wireless system and the A58 guitar wireless system. Reliable, matibay, and of course, maganda tunog. When the news broke out na magkakaroon ng wireless microphone system ang Xvive, na-excite talaga ako. And finally, here it is. As you can see, napakaganda ng carrying case nitong M5. Hindi katulad nung ibang mamahaling wireless systems, leather pouch lang yung binibigay sa inyo. But this one, super slick ng case. Buksan natin. Wow! Secured na secured yung nasa loob. So this is the handheld microphone. And then ito yung receiver. Meron kasamang adapter just in case kailanganin mo. And of course, kasama din itong charging cable. It's actually a dual charging cable. So, very convenient. Ang napansin ko kaagad dito ay itong mga kanto na ito, dito sa may grill. Para dito siya. Yan. I'm sure nangyari na sa inyo yan dati. Nilagay nyo sa table and then gumulong, bagsak, wasak yung mic. With this one, hindi ka magkakaproblema dahil yung mga kanto na yon, yan, oh. Very, very useful. Nandito yung switch niya. And then, ito yung channel selector niya. And then, your USB charging port. Dito naman sa receiver, ito yung switch na to turn it on or off. And then, ito yung channel selector. There you go. Kapag hawak mo itong M5, it really feels solid. Matibay siya. And mukhang magtatagal talaga. Matutuwa sa'yo yung front of house engineer kasi you have your mute button here. Pag hindi mo kailangan yung mic, you can just, flick this switch and nakamute ka na. Ang wireless band nitong M5 ay 5.8 GHz. So hindi ka masyado magwo-worry sa interference. Unlike sa 2.4 na medyo crowded na, nandun yung cellphones, etc. So it's nice na 5.8 na ang M5. You also have 7 total channels, 1 auto mode channel, and 6 fixed frequency channel. You have an operating range of 100 feet, pero minsan lumalagpas naman doon. Maliwanag pa rin, walang cut-offs yung audio. So very nice. You can use up to 6 simultaneous fixed channels with this one. 6 na ganito on fixed channels or 5 of these na nasa auto mode. So marami kayong magagamit on stage. Napakadali lang ng setup. All you need to do is turn the power on and then select mo lang kung anong channel yung gagamitin mo. Let's choose the auto mode and then piliin mo rin yung auto mode dito sa handheld mo. And then plug this in to your mic preamp or mixer and off you go. The M5 features an interchangeable capsule design. Ayan, oh. standard threading interface na compatible sa lahat ng popular capsules like this one from SE, yung V7 MC1 nila. So just like that, and you're good to go. Ibang capsule na to. Or you have this Shure KSM12 na paborito mo. Pwede mong lagay dito. And off you go. For its price, na may ganitong feature, sobrang sulit talaga nitong M5. Baliwala lahat yung features kung hindi naman maganda yung tunog. So subukan nating i-record itong M5.
Pag-ibig ko, nasaan ka man? Sana ay maramdaman ako'y nandirito, umaasa lang sa'yo. Muli mong pagbigyan ang puso kong ito, naghihintay na maalala mong para lang sa'yo. Ang pag-ibig ko, nasan ka man? Sana ay maramdaman ako'y nandirito, umaasa lang sa'yo.
There you go! The M5 wireless microphone system by X-Vibe. Maraming salamat, Guitar Pusher. Thank you, X-Vibe. Till next time.